Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and just look at this lump of a lock. It's about an inch wide hardened steel. It's a real whopper. Made by a company I'm not familiar with, Prefer. It says made in Italy. Italian locks generally have spools in. This reminds me a little bit of the Caesar 28570, I think. But other than that, I literally know nothing about this. I know there's a lot of Italian brands I don't know. Here are the keys. Nothing particularly spectacular there, although sometimes all higher lift pins can be tricky. There it is. Now, because this is press fit, even if I was able to slip this shackle completely out, I won't be able to get in to release the insides of this. So whatever pins are inside will have to remain a mystery until such time I want to sort of pop this plug out, which means I might not be able to get it back in. So yeah, I guess we'll have a go at picking it. Might do it in hand and see where we get to. So tensioning. I've got a nice long end of a Z wrench there, and I think that should reach down into this very deep keyway. So if I go about there, that's how far away the front of the lock is. It's about 1 centimetre. So it will just grab onto that. There we go. I'm going to use a Peterson gem because it's in 18,000, it's quite slim. It's going along. That was pin, I think, 3 to the back. I didn't count how many pins this is, actually. I think it's 5. We'll have a look afterwards. Oh, no. No way. That was so quick. There didn't feel to be any spools in there at all, and that should be open. There we go. I think I only picked like a couple of pins in there. I wonder if it suffers from too short driver pins or something. Let's have a look how many key pins there should have been in this lock. I think there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's not a 6-pin lock, but wow, that was quick. I might lock it back up and have another pick of that, just to double check I haven't done anything weird or wrong. Lock it back up. Check it works with the key. Yeah, good. Tension again. Swap hands. Go in. 4, 3, nothing on 2. That's 1. Good, all the way to the back. And 5, and we're open. Okay, so I picked more pins that time. Maybe the pins are sticky, and when I use the key in it before, maybe not all of them were dropped down into the chambers. I don't know. It's very rare to have a lock quite that easy to pick, and it is a hefty, weighty thing as well. Probably offers a reasonable degree of physical security, being of hardened steel and having quite a deep set plug with a anti-drill spinning plate here. I mean, have you ever heard of Prefer? Are they okay normally? Are they good? I don't know. Don't know anything about them really. Just very surprised about how really easy to pick this lock is. Like I said, no spools at all in there. All feels very standard. I think we might have a go at raking this. So just because we can, need to move that and spinning anti-drill plate to the front so I get the tensioner in. And I think I'm going to go in with an boner pick and just see where we can get to with this. Actually, let's have a go. Oh, and we're open straight away with that. Wow. It must be the excellent design of the pick. That's the only thing I can think of. Certainly not how poorly made the lock is. There you go. Very curious. I actually might have a go at raking this lock because I can, and I've chosen the multi-pick boner for some reason. I can't remember why, and we're just going to go in and see how it performs under a light raking. And we're open. There we go. So clearly very, very little resistance to picking this lock. The Abona just ripped through that with no issues at all. Yeah, okay, well, yes, what a strange lock indeed. What a strange lock. If you do know anything about this lock, please let me know in the comments. Would be really interested to know anything about Prefer, if it's a known brand in Italy. If you know anything about it, I do read all the comments, I reply to as many as I can. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, then please consider subscribing. It really does help me out. So, and it's all appreciated, whatever you do. And I'll see you all next time.